Hello friends, welcome back to Naman Origami World. I am Sanidhya and I am 12 years old. Today we are going to make this friendship band. It looks like this when you open it up. I'll show you how to wear it in the end of the video. I have just colored it a little bit to make it look cool. So let's get started. For making this model, you will need an A4 size sheet of paper. So begin with making a fold on the center over here, like this. Unfold and make these edges come to the center. Like this. Now you need to make a small fold over here, like this. Fold your paper like this and fold so that these edges come to the center again. Turn over and fold it so that these corners come over here. This and this. Turn over again and make a fold over here, like this. Now I need to make these folds carefully. Hold this and pull it outside like this. Do the same here. Hold this, then pull it outside like this. Now I need to take the size of your hand, so I'll just remove how much. Hold it like this, fold it all the way around your hand. First you can just do this to make it curve easily. Hold it like this. Then fold it so that this reaches this point, like this. Now you need to do this on the opposite side. Just reverse it like this. Do the same thing again. Hold it around your hand. Open that up. Put this inside and close it. Now if you can see that this is a bit bigger than my hand, so you can just fold it again like this. Then fold these corners inside. Make them look tidy. And your friendship band is complete. Hope you liked the video. If you had any difficulties making this model, I will soon be uploading the tutorial sheets to make it easier. If you like my videos, please like them, share them and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.